Okay guys, a nice wee short homework for you this week. First question, 2.3% increase. So that means we've got 100%, add to 2.3, gives us, 102.3%. Turn that into a decimal, and then you've got that number to the power 3 years times the starting amount, and you can get your answer. Just be aware the question says round to the nearest pound. Second question, calculate the length of the arc. So we know this formula pretty well. So it's a case of just putting the angle in over 360 times pi times the radius squared. That should be nice and simple for us. Question 3. So we've got a cone that's had the wee top part chopped off. And if we chop the top part off, then we're left with this shape here. So how are we going to do the calculation? We're going to do the calculation for the whole cone, and then we're going to take away the wee cone at the top, and then that's going to leave us with the shape that we need. Okay, here is the volume of a cone formula. So we just look at the numbers that we're given. So 30 is the diameter, 24 is the height. Similarly for the wee cone, what's the height? What's this diameter? Plug all the numbers into this formula, and now it'll pop your answer. Remember, because it's a volume, it'll be centimetres cubed. Don't forget the units. Question 4. Question says solve to 1 decimal place. So that means we're going to have to use the formula x equals negative b plus or minus the square root b squared over 4ac divided by 2a. So from the question, identify your a, which is 2, your b, which is negative 6, and your c, which is negative 5. So it's just a case of plugging in 2, negative 6 and negative 5 into that formula. Careful with the signs. Okay, and if your calculator says you've done a math error, it's because you've done something wrong. Okay, and it's probably a sign that's wrong. Number 5, simplify the expression. Well, I'm not going to do the one in the homework sheet, but I'll do a similar one for you. So if I had m to the power 4 times m to the power negative 10, then we know a nice wee simple rule that says you take the powers and you add them when you multiply. So my answer would be m to the power negative 6. Ordinarily, great, job done. However, the question says you need to write that with a positive power. So how do you turn the negative 6 into a positive 6? Put it on the bottom. Okay, so if you do something similar for your question, then you'll have it right. Okay, that's us finished. Nice and short this week. Hopefully you'll get full marks.